Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidwynders Shed. Yeah, this is what I'm working on. My friend Danny, myself, Doogie's supposed to show up, and the next door neighbor's supposed to show up. And we're gonna try and drop this tree. And the problem is, it's leaning right over the new fence and my neighbor's garage he's building. So we don't want it to drop there. Hence this rope. Just gonna put a little tension on it, and the way Danny's gonna cut it, hopefully, yeah, we're gonna move that, the dog, the table, and everything. Hopefully it'll drop somewhere right there and not on any building. But yeah, I'm also filming this for insurance purposes, and not property insurance but medical insurance, and to help the EMS and police out and everything in case one of us ends up getting dead. But I'll bring you back here in a little bit, and I'm gonna let Danny do the chainsaw, and we'll see how things go. Whew. All right, so anyway, talking to Danny and everything, and we figured that using a little bit of just standard, simple Newtonian physics, what we've decided to do was that with the height of the tree, the width of the tree, and you know, the mass and everything of the tree, if you do the calculations and everything, plus how that fence was built, and the angle that the tree was on and everything, we decided that even with me, Doogie, and my neighbor, we probably wouldn't be able to pull that tree away from the fence, but the fence should be able to hold that tree. And if Danny cuts it right, and we marked it out where he should cut it, it should lay right across the top of the fence without doing any damage, and just kind of teeter there. And then we can go over to the neighbor's yard, cut it up, and it'll fall right back over to my side of the fence. So that's what we're going to try and do. And yeah, God, we'll see how that works out. So let's see what happens. Alrighty, yeah, I came inside. It's hot out there, getting everything ready. Whew, I had to take a little bit of a break. I also had to use the bathroom. But anyway, all right, I'll bring you back in a minute.
sharpen this stuff.
Huh?
Need to sharpen this stuff.
Well,
that fence is strong. Alright, well while you're here, keep that run on, just put the chain on. I'm gonna go next door and cut the fucker up.
Alright, buddy. Well, that didn't work like I wanted it to. Alrighty, y'all. Well, we got it down. We got it cut up into pieces. And the top half of it I've already burned up. But yeah, Danny, Doogie, my neighbor, thank you all. They did a great job. Over here, this is to try and prevent the dogs from jumping over the fence and everything. Keep them in here. I'll fix that later. I'll be putting up a new bit of fence right here anyway. But yeah, got the tree down, got it off the fence. The fence is fine. No damage to the fence. Everything is fine. No damage to the neighbor's yard. And yes, I was kidding about all that Newtonian physics and everything. It just, damn tree just fell that way. We couldn't hold it. We couldn't pull it. But it came down slow enough, and the tree was light enough. It didn't cause any damage. Everything's fine. And anyway, I hope you find that kind of entertaining, watching a few idiots just try to do shit. And anyway, I want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you all for hanging with me. I really do appreciate it. And y'all have yourselves a good weekend. Be safe. Don't do stupid shit like me. Just watch me on YouTube doing the stupid stuff. Y'all take care. We'll see you later.